Ichan again? What did you say? Please?
Please going to the Lola Azar.
Why?
Please.
Why we're going there? Why?
Isa kuya Pogi.
Huh?
Wala pa si class bukas.
In short, you don't want to go to Lola's Ason. You want to go to Kuya Pogi. Ano okay? Ayun yung gusto mong sabihin sa akin? Ayaw mo pumunta kay Lola Ason, pero gusto mong pumunta kay Kuya Pogi. Bakit? Why?
Please.
Ano? Because tomorrow is, you're not going to school.
Sa Sunday, Tuesday.
Sa Sunday? Bakit? Inaya ka ba niya? Hindi ka niya inaya, right? Don't do that to my damit. Don't do that to my shirt, my blouse.